Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidren. A virus poem goes viral. COVID-19 inspired songs have steadily been making the rounds on social media, but one ode to the virus is now in the form of a Jamaican poem, which has also gone viral with over 13,000 views on Instagram.
But what are we a corona she bright? If she want to come to Jamaica, she not come like normal visitor. We enjoy with beautiful island and salt water.
Speaking with E-Prime, poem author Shable Barnett shared why she chose to do the poem.
The coronavirus came about and the country is in a panic, and I just thought, write something about it, kind of educate people on what to do but still bring a little humor into it.
Go A Corona is performed by Sheble's daughter Ashaya Harrison, a 13-year-old student of Ferncourt High School. Ashana shared her reaction to now being popular on social media.
I am very excited. People on the street are congratulating me and motivating me to do well.
Shable Barnett is the author of other current affair poems such as Facebook Saga and Child Molester. The management team of dancehall artist Rygin King has announced that he will be cutting his European tour short. The Tough Boss tour began on March 2, where he has already completed shows in Switzerland, followed by sold-out venues in Germany and Amsterdam. Rygin King's African tour in Ghana and Gambia, scheduled for March 21 to 29, has also been cancelled. And still on cancellations, Grammy-nominated artist Protege has announced that his joint UK tour with artists Lila Ike and Savannah has been postponed. The tour was slated to start on April 8. Now to related news, where reggae artist Kabaka Pyramid has also postponed his US spring tour, which was slated to start on March 19. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidran. Thank you for watching. Go A Corona.